Hello everyone, welcome to today's new video. So today we are gonna solve today's daily problem. So let's see what today's daily problem is. Okay, nice question. So we are tackling an interesting coding challenge where we transform a linked list into a matrix filled in spiral ways like this. We will break down the logic step by step and explain the Python behind this. I will explain the approach, the logic, and then I will do the coding stuff here. Let's first move ahead to the question and what the question says to us. Look, so first of all, there is a blank matrix. There will be a, we are given integers m and n like this, m and n, which defines the dimension of the matrix. And also we have a linked list containing integers. Okay. So now then our goal is to fill the matrix in spiral pattern starting from the top left. From this here, moving clockwise like this. If the linked list doesn't contain enough values to enter matrix, we will fill the remaining space with -1, minus this. So now let's talk about the approach. To solve this, we need to traverse the matrix in spiral order, which means moving in the directions from left to right along the top row, then down the right column, then left across the bottom row, and finally up the left column. Okay, so to help the control the spiral movement, we maintain our four boundaries markers: T for top, B for bottom, L for left, and right for R for R for right. After each step in the particular directions, we adjust these boundaries to gradually move inwards. Then so let's jump into the Python code. Then what happens? Okay, let's start our coding stuff. There I will create a res. Then I will start this loop to initialize the matrix I in range and for j in range m. So this will initialize the matrix. I'm writing this comment for your understanding only. Then we will declare t, b, l and r to 0, m minus 1, 0, comma n minus 1. So then we have again a direction which will be 0. So there we can, I can comment, but I am not commenting out this. So again we will start a while loop with if head, means if there is a valid head of the linked list we can traverse. If dir equals to 0, move to, I'm writing this command, move left to right. Okay, so then we will again start a loop for I in range 1 comma r plus 1 because we need to traverse. If not head, then we will break, because if not head is not present there, we will break that. Res t and I, which will be equals to head dot val, because we are adding up the val, and we will move this head to the next value, next position. So this part is done. Then we will update this value of the t and direction to 1. To change the direction to down. Is it clear? Okay. If let's start the elif part. If elif dir equals to 1, which is to move from top to down, or you can say bottom. So here we will do the what? We will again start a loop for I in range 130 comma b plus 1, because we are going top to bottom. So bottom, then we will check same. If not head, then we will break. Sorry. Ah, sorry guys. If break. If, then we will again store this. Sorry, X will be I, then R. Here we will store the value head dot val, and again we will change that head to head dot next for the next value. Then we will update this, and we will update this also to change the direction to left. Then we will have elif dir equals to 2. Here we will do what? Move from right to just right to left. So this is right to left, and now we will again start a for loop for this. For I in range r comma l minus 1 comma minus 1, and left minus 1. If not head, then we will break. If not, then we will raise b bottom comma I equals to head dot val. Similarly, then we will change that head to head. Okay, let's don't write this thing. Let's copy this, because again I have to do one time more. Then we have to update the value, and the direction will be 3. Change Changing direction to upwards. Then we have, it's 2 part done. Then we will go for elif dir equals to 3. Then again we will start a loop for I in range b comma t minus 1 comma minus 1. Then we, if not held, we will break. Then we will again update I comma l equals to head comma val. Again we have to do this. L plus equals to 1, and dir we will reset to 0. Change direction to right, and at last, okay, this one is the line. At last we will return res. Okay, let's check once more. We are initializing the matrix correctly. I guess this dir will make problem. Let's make it direction, dir direction. Okay, if direction equals to 0, left to right, top to bottom, right to left, direction to upward, change to right. Okay, for our code it's correct. Let's check for the result. Okay, there is something wrong. In line number 13, there is some mistake. Oh, sorry. It must be L. Okay, let's check things for firstly. Okay, now it's correct. Let's run again. Minor mistake. Oh, again, what? It's correct, I guess. For I in sorry. So I don't know where is the mistake here. Let's find it out. Uh, for the direction 1, we are moving ahead to that value. What it's saying, index out of range. Why? We have to look very carefully why it's showing this. I don't know. Everything is correctly all right. Head out. Well, head it also head out. Next. Why it's showing up this? Okay, let me clear it out, then I will come back to you. For that, I'm skipping this part of debugging, then I will get back. So after some time, I found the bug. It was not in this line. It was though it was in here, it was a small mistake by me. Now it will run perfectly. I have not initialized the matrix correctly. That's why it's giving out of bound index. So now let's submit. Okay, let's go. I have completed 321 days consistently. So this was this is all about today's video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe my channel, Develop with Dev Advancer, and like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.